This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to study for SAT in 3 months, only way. Begin with a diagnostic test to find gaps, then craft a weekly plan that targets those gaps directly. Prioritize weak topics, rotate practice sections, and build endurance with one full practice test each weekend. Keep sessions focused and short, review every error thoroughly, and adjust your plan weekly to stay on track and motivated throughout the 3 months. Create a weekly template that balances targeted lessons, timed drills, and a full practice test. Spend 3 to 4 days on focused topics, 1 day on mixed timed sections, and reserve the weekend for a complete timed test. Use short 25 to 50-minute sessions with clear goals, log every mistake, and review concepts until you can explain them aloud. This steady rhythm builds skill and confidence without burnout. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more study strategies. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh car during commute study sessions, because a pleasant drive can make study time feel calmer and more focused. I use it myself when heading to study sessions to stay energized and relaxed. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Treat practice tests as both measurement and learning tools. Take one full-time test weekly and simulate real test conditions. After each test, spend focused time reviewing every missed question and log the error type, reason, and solution. Revisit the same question types until mistakes disappear, practice pacing strategies to beat time pressure, and reinforce weak areas with targeted mini-lessons between full tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.